Thunderstorm Safety. Hey! Gotcha! Ouch! It's thundering! Let's go home now! All right. Whoa! Another dragonfly! This is the last one! Hey! Hey! I'm gonna catch you! Hey! Oh, wait for me, little giraffe! Ouch! Little giraffe! Little giraffe! Where are you? Have a nice day.
It's so windy. That was perfect.
Little flying squirrel.
Sheriff Labrador, please find little giraffe.
What happened?
It's thundering, and he's still in the park catching dragonflies.
What? That's so dangerous. Wait here in the store. We'll go find him right now. This way.
Little giraffe!
Little giraffe!
Little giraffe! Where are you?
Huh? Huh? Watch out, Toby! Hey!
That's so scary.
Never go near power poles during a thunderstorm.
Now you can't run away! It's so scary!
Oh no! It's raining again! We need to find little giraffe now!
Little giraffe! Little giraffe! A bug net? It's little giraffes. Sheriff Labrador! Little giraffe must be close by! Feels like I'm bitten by ants!
Oh no! Let go of the bug net!
Ouch!
Bug nets are made out of metal, so they're easily electrified. There's a lot of metal here in the playground. Let's get out of here! This way!
It's little giraffe!
He's in danger! Let's go! Little giraffe! Don't hide under the tree! Watch out! We shouldn't stay under the tree! Let's go!
I'll call Pascal for support!
Stop! Making phone calls during a thunderstorm can attract lightning!
Is it that dangerous? Then what do we do?
Let's go to a low-lying area. Lightning won't strike easily there. This way! That way! Let's go to a safe place now!
Little giraffe, I was so worried about you. I'll never play outside during a thunderstorm again.
Sheriff Labrador Safety Talk. Kids, when there's a thunderstorm, you should stay indoors or inside a car. If you happen to be outside, don't stand under a tree or next to a building wall. Avoid power poles and power lines. Also, don't make phone calls or touch electronic devices. And don't touch anything metal, or you might get electrified. Please remember these tips.
Woof!